I'm Ciela Pereira and I'm performing live for UK's one of the best events, Food Fiesta 3.0 by United Goans of Wembly in association with Gold and Silver Events Wembley. Well, it's all happening on the 27th of July 2025 from 12 p.m. till 8 p.m. Join me at Barham Park, Harrow Road, the fun fairground, where you're going to experience some amazing food, amazing music, and not forgetting an enjoyable party. Well, Rauta Kitatumi. So clean, calendar mark korai, mark your calendars, and let's have some amazing time together. Because I'm gonna sing some of your favorites and some hits from the movie Natsya Kupasan. Soglia Moja Goinkar Baba Boinano. Hoping to see you in the UK on the 27th of July. Soglyang Tumka Mai Mogatsa Yoka. See you there.